here and a oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a sheep. E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a cow. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Hi everyone, my name is Shama and I'm studying section. My school name is MS News. I'm going to talk about pig. This is a pig. This is baby called Lex. This is a farm animal. It is garbage. Which animals are living on farm? That animals are called farm animals. Thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Harvard. I'm studying in senior KG. Today I'm talking about goat. This is a goat. It's baby called kid. It's live on farm. It eats grains and leaves. This is a farm animal. Which animals are living on farm? That animals are called farm animals. Thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Krishna. I'm studying in senior KG. My school name is MIMN. I'm going to talk about hen. This is a hen. It's very funny. It's live on farm. It eats grains and insects. This is a farm animal. Which animals are living on farm? That animals are called farm animals. Thank This is a farm animal. Which animals are living on farm? That animals are farm animals. Thank you, madam.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a sheep. E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba